Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to connect your PS4 controller to your PS5. So to do this, all you need are two things: your PS4 controller and the cable that came with it. So all you have to do is plug your cable into the PS5. Just plug it into the front here. And then it'll begin to sync. Tap the PlayStation button in the center. And there you go. You can log in as yourself or as a guest, and then unplug this, and then you can start using this wirelessly. So this would be handy if you have like a second controller for maybe a multiplayer game or something, or if you prefer the shape of this controller over the PS5 controller. I'll just quickly show you some gameplay to prove that it works. Oh yeah. Maybe let's go hunt something. So this is Horizon Zero Dawn I'm playing. Ah, there's someone. Oh, friendly. Not friendly. There you have it guys. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.